ప్రజా టీవీ తెలుగు న్యూస్.
This thing, one is Amaravati. 15,000 crores support. Today works are going on. This will become people's capital. Second one, sir, Polavaram. I have to inform you, yesterday diaphragm wall totally defunct at that time. Now parallel diaphragm wall, yesterday they have started. Within 2 years, sir, April 2027, we are going to complete Polavaram under your leadership, under your direction, under central government direction. Sir, Visakhapatnam steel plant, very sentimental issue. Vizag steel, Andhra's right. That is where that slogan, Visakha Ukku, Andhrula Hakku అని ఆందోళన చేసి ప్రాణ త్యాగాలు చేశారు. అలాంటి విశాఖ ఉక్కును కూడా పూర్తిగా నిర్వీర్యం చేస్తే మళ్లీ ప్రాణం పోసింది కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం. 11,440 కోట్ల రూపాయలు ఆర్థిక సహాయం చేసి మళ్లీ దీనికి ప్రాణం పోసే పరిస్థితికి వచ్చారు. Long pending issue, Visakhapatnam railway zone. Honorable Prime Minister has laid the foundation recently. BPCL and also that factory is coming, and always center is helping us in a big way. But some more hand holding is required from center, sir. Sir, I am requesting so many times you. I don't want to request again, sir. I don't want to pressurize you. You are always in favor of us. Give some hand holding till we revive and will contribute for the nation building. That is our commitment. Our people are very, very shrewd, sir. Very, very enterprising type. If we give some hand holding, they will do wonders for the nation.